Now we are going to learn the construction of rhombus and square in this video. First, we will start with the construction of rhombus. Now in rhombus, we have three different conditions. The first condition is to construct a rhombus given length of one side and one angle. Now all this construction we have already done in general. We are just applying it with the different spatial quadrilaterals. Now here we have construct a rhombus ABCD with AB as 5 centimeter and angle ABC as 60 centimeter. We already know that all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So I have taken all the sides as 5 centimeter and one angle is given as 60. Now we already know how to construct a quadrilateral when 4 sides and one angle is given. So first what we have to do, we have to draw the base side, that is BC as 5 centimeter. Then we have to do in the next step, construct 60 degree. We all know how to construct 60 degree. Right? Draw an arc of any radius with the same measurement, cut the arc, and this is what we get as 60 degree. Now we will join this. Next step, what we have to do, we have to take the radius 5 centimeter and with B as center, we have to cut an arc. So this will be my third vertex of the rhombus and that will be my A point. Now we know that all the sides are 5 centimeter. What we have to do with C as center, we have to cut it over here 5 centimeter, right? And then for D point, what we have to do with A as center, we have to cut the previous arc. So this point of intersection will be nothing but my point D. Now what is left? We just have to join the vertices. So this will be my line segment CD and this will be my side AD. So this is 60 degree. This is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So this is my required rhombus ABCD. Now let us move towards the next construction. So the next construction is we have to construct a rhombus when the one side and one diagonal. Similarly, we know that all the sides are equal. So AB, BC, CD and AD will be 4.5 and one diagonal BD is given as 5 centimeter. Now in the previous video, we have constructed a parallelogram wherein two sides were given and one diagonal was given, right? Here also we know the two sides. So what we did in the last video, first we constructed this triangle and then similarly we constructed the other triangle. So we will be doing the same over here. So I have done the first step. AB is 4.5 centimeter. Now with B as center, we have to draw BD. So what with B as center and 5 centimeter as the radius, we will cut the arc over here. Now measure this 4.5 and cut the arc. Right? So this will be my point. First vertex we have got. So this is my point B and we will join this. And we will join the BD also. Now again we have to draw what we have to draw 4.5 as BC. So we will again measure this with B as center. Now we will cut the arc over here. Right? And same arc, what we have to do with D as center, same radius 4.5, we will cut the previous arc. So this will become my point C, that is my vertex C. And last step, we have to join all the vertices, remaining vertices. So this is my required rhombus, which has all the sides equal and the diagonal is 5 centimeter. Now let us move towards the next construction. Now in this construction, we will be covering two topics. We will be covering for both rhombus and square, wherein the length of its diagonals. We already know that a rhombus and the square has all the sides equal, right? Now only one difference we have. When we have rhombus, the diagonals are different. Both the diagonals measures different, but in square what we have, the diagonals are equal. So same steps are there, but only difference would be here. You're in where if you want to construct a square, AC and BD will be same. So first step, when your only diagonals of the rhombus or a square is given, what we have to do, any one of the diagonal you can draw. So here I have drawn AC 9 centimeter. Now in our lower classes, we have already studied how to construct the perpendicular bisector. Now approximately we have to take more than half of this AC line segment. Approximately more than half you can take. So this is something, this is more than half, right? So what we have to do, we have to cut the arcs. One arc above the line and one arc below the line. Similarly, with the same radius, you don't have to touch it, you don't have to change it. Now again, what we have to do, we have to keep C as the center and we have to cut this arc. Right? Now draw a line passing through Now what we have to do, we know that the diagonals bisect each other, right? And the next diagonal is 16 centimeters. So the half of 16 is what? 8 centimeter. So now we will measure 8 centimeter and we will keep the radius, the center as this point of intersection, and we will cut the arcs over here. One on the above and one below. And this point of intersection will be my other two vertices. So this will be my E point and this will be my B point. And we have to join all the vertices. And this will be my required rhombus. Similar in the case of square, what we have to do, the diagonals are same. So BD will also be 9 centimeters. So it will be 3 centimeter above and 3 centimeter below, right? So same steps you have to follow. Now let us move towards the last construction type for the square. Let us start with the last construction for the square. Here we have only one side, right? Now we know that in a square all the angles are 90 degrees. So what we can do, we can take these three sides and these two angles to complete our construction. The base side I have already drawn. Now to construct 90 degree, very easy. What we have to do, take any radius, keep the arc over here. This will be 60. Keep the, this will be 120, and in between it will be 90 degree. Same on the other side we have to do. Let us do the angles together only. So this will be 90 degree. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to construct the two sides, 5 centimeter measure this, keep it over here, cut the arc, keep it over here and cut the arc. Now these are the other two vertices. So this is my point S and this will be my point R. So what we have now, join this and this is my required square. Thank you.